Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess who's 21? Of course, today's video is a birthday glam, so if you want to know how to get this smoky look, ooh, girl, keep on watching. Happy birthday to all the Geminis. Oh my god, y'all, it's been a freaking minute since we've done a tutorial. My hair is looking extra crazy today, extra curly. It's my birthday weekend. Okay, so I already did my brows, so that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and just go right into it, prep my eye. We are going into MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot as usual, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. Oh my god, y'all, I'm 21. 21. Girl, that means every other birthday after this one isn't gonna feel any different. Once you make the 21 mark, you're like, yes, I can do everything. No more birthdays to look forward to. Unless you're like 65, then you're like, yes, retirement. So I just set my primer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Let's mix Silk Cream and MFEO together. And let's just blend that right into the crease. I'm thinking of doing something dramatic because it's my birthday. It's been like forever. I'm never gonna hold you guys up anymore like this. This is like separation anxiety. No tutorials in a long time. Oh my god, I'm literally sweating. This is disgusting, but the AC isn't working and it's 90 degrees, so happy birthday to me. Now I'm gonna go into Hunts and Jacks, mix these two beautiful colors together. And I'm just going to pop that right on top of MFEO and Silk Cream. It's okay if it gets on the lid because we're gonna cover the lid anyway. Oh hell no. Not during my tutorial. No ma'am. That means I have to close this and die of heat. The things I do for you guys. The things I do. Who freaking mows their lawn at 6 o'clock at night? Like, I really don't understand. Now I'm gonna pick up Buns using my M441 brush. I love this brush so much. It really like gets into the blending real nicely. We're gonna just pop that right on top. Ooh, I love this blending situation we got over here. Can we just take a moment? Okay. Now I'm gonna go back into my E27 and just get a little bit of creamsicle and just blend that super close to the brow bone just so it has that super gradual sunset effect. I love this shade for that purpose. Now if you haven't seen my review on this palette right here, I'm gonna go ahead and link down below, girl. When I saw this palette, I was like, ooh, I want to do something with that color right there. It's called I'm Watching You. And we're gonna pick it up with a flat shadow brush and apply it all over our lid. Ooh, pigment. Oh Lord. Now this right here might, you know, kind of scare people. You're gonna look like this for a minute, but don't get scared, girl. We're gonna blend this away and make it look flawless. Now I'm gonna go back into Buns and just tap very lightly. We don't want too much product. And we're just going to blend out the lid color just so it doesn't look like a freaking half moon on our lid, and it looks blended and effortless. Okay, when I blended the shadow out, it lost a little bit of the pigment, so I'm gonna go back in with the I'm Watching You shade and just pat on a little bit more onto the lid so we could still have that glitter and drama, because right now it just looks like a burnt gray on our lid. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, add some mascara, pop on these So Extra Miami lashes by Lilly Lashes. You know the Miamis are dramatic as hell. Well, guess what? These are even more dramatic, and I'm up for it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face up too, just so we could save a little bit more time, and I'll be back to finish up my eyes.
Six hours later.
Hey.
Two hours later.
Okay, Shakira, gotta go. All right, guys. Yes, what a difference makeup and lashes can do. I know, girl, I know. So I did the rest of my makeup. The only thing I didn't do is highlight. I like to do that at the very end, and I'll show you guys how I like to do it now. I'm gonna pick up a angled brush, and I'm gonna go into buns, and I'm going to run that right on the bottom of our lashes and connect what we did up here, girl. Don't have a little gap in between. That's not gonna look good. And then I'm gonna take a pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into butter, and I'm just going to blend that out so it's not a harsh line. I'm gonna mix Jack's and Hunt's, maybe a little bit of this one too. I'm just gonna go really close to the lash line and just add a little bit of pop under there. I'm not totally fulfilled, so I'm gonna go into Mocha, and I'm just going to repeat that once again because I feel like we're looking a little bit red, white, and bluish here, girl, and I don't want that. Now we're just gonna add some black liner on our tight line and our waterline. Now I'm just gonna add mascara to the bottom lashes. Oh, girl, this is looking smoky. I'm gonna go ahead and pop a little bit of highlight in our inner corner. Taking my Anastasia, this is my holy grail right now. Like, sheesh, she did a good job. Just pop that right in the corner. Set my brows into place using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And then I'm gonna spray my face, set it real quick. Right after, girl, get your brush ready because you are about to put some highlight and it's gonna be popping. Woo! Girl. I have a review on this highlight as well. I'll go ahead and link that down below. Now we're just going to lightly spray right after. Fan it in. We got a look. I'm gonna line my lips using Boldly Bare. For lipstick, I'm gonna mix Yash and Kinda Sexy by MAC. I'm gonna put Kinda Sexy first. And then I'm gonna go into Yash. And then I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss. Add a little bit. Okay, y'all, this look is complete finally. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little tutorial get ready with me birthday style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to click that subscribe button, girl. I have a lot of videos coming and they are going to be super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.